Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be having a discussion revolving Solana. If you appreciate these Solana updates, do smash that like button as it does go a long way. But anyhow, if we're looking at the broader market, the market is absolutely looking amazing as we can see. We are coming out of that retracement that we did see as the month of October started, but things are picking up traction once again, and altcoins specifically are feeling mad love across the board. As far as Solana is concerned, it's up 4.2% right now, but let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at and what we could be expecting. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So price of Solana is currently sitting at $148.88. We're up about 4% as mentioned in USD and about 1.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about $70 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $2.1 billion. Absolutely amazing to see. And speaking about absolutely amazing, you guys can see Popcat, a Solana-based meme coin, is breaking the crypto space in terms of trending. A lot of people are discussing this, and I think this is fueling a lot of attention towards SPL tokens. And I think Q4 specifically is going to be very bullish for Solana. Reason why I think that is because what we saw happen last year. And of course, I think, historically speaking, Q4 is generally a very exciting time for crypto space. And I do believe, it's going to have a positive impact, not just on Solana and the broader market, but SPL coin specifically. As we know, the bull run for this cycle is more towards Solana. You could pretty much compare the numbers, as far as the chain itself, nothing comes close to Sol. And I think it's going to end that way. So are we about to see a round two potentially? And as we are leading to, a potential, announcement for airdrop number 2 for, Jupiter, I think that could heat up more things. So again, as we know, if you are a follower on my channel, that's something I'm very excited about, but let's see what happens because time is the most important thing at the end of the day. But if we're looking at total value locked on Solana, 5.61 billion. Bitcoin dominance, as we are going into a brand new week, has seen a little bit of a retracement within its percentage, but of course that is a really bullish thing. When Bitcoin does something completely opposite of the Bitcoin dominance, we know that the market tends to pick up, and that's exactly what we're looking at right now, because Bitcoin made its way up to $64,000 earlier, but has seen a little bit of a minor pullback. If you're looking at Sol, though, beautiful stuff right now, guys. You are looking at Solana breaking out of that retesting that key resistance once again at $150. And if you've been following the channel, if you know, that is one of the most important levels, and this is something we've been discussing for quite some time. And as of recording this update, we actually retested that key resistance, believe it or not, but saw a rejection. Again, a continuous reminder why these levels that I have drawn for you guys are so important. But we saw that retest, but I think we are going to fill that wick, because as Bitcoin is approaching Monday, I do believe, apologies for that, I do believe a 64,000 retest could once again happen. I think Bitcoin's going to also fill that wick, and a potential close above there would be something absolutely amazing to see. I think that could really turn things around for Sol and potentially start heading to the main level, which we know about at the $166 price point. We know the importance of that resistance as well. And that is where my eyes are on for Solana, because last time the price of Sol was back above there is back in July. And if it's able to get back above there, I think things can really start heating up for Solana right now. But we cannot ignore what's happening. Look at the bigger picture for the chain itself. What really is happening for Solana right now? Are we seeing enhancements? Definitely are. There's big developments coming out, and I'm very excited for Sol's future. Obviously this is that key target. Obviously we need to break out of right now for the short perspective. I think we're not going to have a hard time breaking out of this key resistance with the momentum that we're seeing as we are going into Monday morning. But Sol needs to get to this level and break out of D.50. It's extremely, extremely important for the price of Solana to break out of this 0.50 fib zone, starts heading towards the 38.2 key resistance. And I think that's where the fun really begins. But I want to know from you guys in the comments, what do you personally think about this, and where do you see Solana going? I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support, sticking around from the beginning and literally showing tremendous amount of love. Cannot thank you enough. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to lock in profits if your portfolio is booming right now with meme coins that are exploding. Do not forget to lock those profits in. I cannot stress this enough. And speaking about locking in profits and all that, a strategy is very much needed, especially in the next few months coming. Very important months, of course. So I do expect the market will go in an upwards trajectory, but if you don't have a plan, where you are going to follow to exit your positions, then you will get left behind. And I cannot stress this enough. Have a strategy that you will follow and lock those profits in on the way up. I cannot stress this enough, because at the end of the day, profit taking is number one. Don't listen to the crazy trash comments that you hear about, how people say don't lock profits, and I just can't wrap my head around how people say that. So lock those profits in when you see them. Love each and every one of you guys. Stay safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.